Hey, I'm Mike.
I'm Dylan, and we're the Ride Guys.
Today we're among the lights, cameras, and action of Universal Studios Hollywood to take you on the world-famous studio tour.
So if you're ready,
We're ready for our close-up.
let's ride. Shaboom!
Coming for the crown, it's a shutdown. Coming for the crown, it's a shutdown.
If you've ever wanted to go behind the scenes of a real working movie studio, you've come to the right place.
Universal Studios Hollywood in sunny California.
Now, in show business, there are no small parts.
And no bad questions. Is this an actual ride? Well, while you are seated the entire time, this is no ordinary theme park ride.
No, it's not. It is a roughly 1-hour guided tram tour through sets and studios where some of your favorite films and shows are made.
Now, what makes the studio tour world famous? Well, the answer to that begins 60 years ago.
Mark.
The tour started in 1964 and it cost guests $2.50 for a ticket.
The studio backlot features real working production locations.
Guests can see where some of their favorite films and shows are made.
And since there are always new productions, the tour is constantly evolving.
Attracting millions of guests each year to visit some of the most iconic sets ever captured on film. Can I bring food and drinks with me on the tour? Yes.
Do you get out and do any walking? No, you're on the tram for the entire tour. There's restrooms available at the beginning, but you might want to take it easy on the beverages just in case.
Good to know.
How much does the tour cost? It's actually included with your park admission. You do not need a separate ticket.
Is there a height requirement? No, all guests are welcome, but parental discretion is recommended as there are a few intense surprises along the way.
Is there Universal Express access? Yes. Is it wheelchair accessible? Yes. Some tram vehicles have been modified to accommodate for wheelchairs.
Ooh, is the tour available in Spanish? Sí.
Do they still do the tour during Halloween Horror Nights? Yes, a nighttime terror tram is available during HHN.
Mike fact. Parts of the tour were designed with creative consultation from Steven Spielberg, and his influence can be seen throughout.
Hi, Ride Guys. On your right-hand side, take a look at some of the oldest sets here in Hollywood, our little town that we call 6 Points. Get ready for King Kong.
wow.
Welcome to Skull Island.
Okay. Oh, he's on the tram. I think he's on the tram. Oh!
We made it. That was great.
Oh, look at that sign. The beach is closed. How unfortunate.
There's a fin. I see
the fin. I see a fin. The water's moving. The water's moving. Oh, that's fire. Okay. Oh, that's the shark. It's a shark from Jaws. He almost got us.
Okay.
That was amazing.
I go from one aquatic attraction to another.
Another?
Just to warn you, if you're sitting in a blue seat, you might get wet.
Oh, I'm in a blue seat.
I'm in a blue seat.
Take cover.
Oh, no. I don't think that big drink was a good idea.
Whoa.
There's a flood.
That's too much water.
And now we are about to enter one of the most elaborate sets ever created for film.
This is the plane from War of the Worlds. This is from War of the Worlds.
That is humongous.
Wow.
All right, everybody, it looks like we're coming to the end of our tour. Hope you had a great time with us.
And cut.
That's a wrap.
There are so many people I want to thank. First, I want to thank Universal for making us feel like Hollywood royalty for the day.
And if you really want the star treatment, the VIP experience is available that allows you to step off that special trolley and explore some of the sets.
I also want to thank all of our viewers for liking and subscribing.
And leave a comment down below and let us know what your favorite stop on the tour is.
Oh, I want to thank my dog Penny, who's at home watching. You should be asleep, baby. And there's someone I'm forgetting. I'm forgetting someone. I forgot Dylan. I'm going to hear about that tomorrow. Don't play us off yet. There's one more thing we have to do. Let's ride Shaboom!
Cause I'm coming for the crown. Coming for the crown, it's a shutdown.
3 paces. 1, 2, 3.
Shaboom!